Let's face it, the job market for software engineer is becoming tougher and tougher. It's harder to get a software job today compared to 2020 or 2021, when companies just threw their money to acquire new engineers. So, if you want to land a software engineering job in 2024, you need to prepare yourself by at least learning the right language. In this video, I'm going to share the top 3 programming languages that you need to learn in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 3, we have Java. Java is an old language and it's been around since 1995. Thanks to the virtual machine, Java can run everywhere. Its main application is for Android development. But it's not limited to only mobile devices. Java can be used to develop websites and desktop applications. The language is used at many big tech companies such as Uber, PayPal, and even Microsoft. In fact, when I was a software engineer intern at Redfin, I used Java for all my backend contributions. Java is a bit hard to learn at first because it's an object-oriented programming language. However, it's become easier as you gain more experience with the language. Java developers get paid around $67K to $127K per year. Number 2, we've got JavaScript. Without JavaScript, the internet cannot be where it is today. JavaScript is used in every single application and most companies will benefit from it. JavaScript is not only limited to front-end development. You can use the language for back-end development thanks to Node.js. If you're already familiar with React, you are in a good position to earn a front-end engineering job. Front-end engineers are paid somewhere between $100K to $160K per year. The only downside of the language is that new frameworks come out very frequently, so you need to constantly update your knowledge to match with what's trending on the market. And finally, we have Python. Thanks to its application in machine learning and big data, the language is picked up by more and more companies. Spotify, the world's largest music streaming service, uses Python in their data analysis and backend services. Spotify leverages powerful Python to enhance the radio and discover functions for users, and approximately 80% of the backend services is written purely in Python. The thing I love about Python is that it's super easy to learn. This is the first language that I learned and I'm still using it up to this date. Python is often used by machine learning engineers who get paid somewhere around $105K to $250K per year. So there's plenty of opportunities out there for Python developers. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. That supports the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.